The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Poweshiek County in central Iowa, eastern Marshall County in central Iowa, eastern Marion County in south central Iowa, Tama County in central Iowa, Myaska County in south central Iowa, eastern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 1 a.m. At 11:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beeman to 4 miles northwest of Grinnell to 5 miles southwest of Beacon, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be in Grove State Park around 11:45 p.m. Glanbrook around 11:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Kiama Village, Lake Kiama State Park, Oskaloosa Municipal Airport, Toledo, Tama, Fremont, Holiday Lake, Toledo Municipal Airport, Rose Hill, Chelsea, Vining, and Elberon. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 169 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Iowa: